Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If your Midea air conditioner is acting up like not responding to the remote, showing errors, or not cooling properly, you might be thinking something is seriously wrong. But in many cases, the issue is just a temporary system glitch that can be fixed with a hard reset. These AC units have built-in electronics that sometimes need a full power reset to clear errors and restore normal operation. The process might seem unclear if you've never done it before, but the good part is that a proper hard reset is quick, safe, and often solves most common problems instantly. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the AC and unplug it from the power source. Step 2. Wait for about 5-10 minutes to clear internal memory. Step 3. Press and hold the power button for a few seconds. Step 4. Plug the AC back into the power outlet. Step 5. Turn the unit on using the remote or control panel. Step 6. Reset your settings and test cooling performance.